This video is going to look at how to join an OML link to the ODFS PaceXL device. There is in your instructions when you receive the OML link a joining card that helps to talk you through this process. First of all, turn the ODFS PaceXL on. Take the OML link and remove the battery cover. Take a new battery, place the battery into the OML link with the positive facing up, and you should see a blue light come on. Insert the battery cover, checking there are no gaps between the cover and the device itself. Then you need to pop the link down and you need to go into the user accessible menu. So click once and then press and hold down for 2 seconds the control knob. The screen will say walking mode. Scroll clockwise until you see options and click the control knob. Then scroll clockwise until you see wireless options and click wireless options. The screen will then say allow joining. Click to select allow joining and a timer will come up on the screen. Then take your device and on the back there is a small button which has a wireless symbol. Press this firmly and a blue light will start to flash on the OML link. Then the PaceXL will say foot switch joined once this has been completed. You have 60 seconds to do it, so take your time and don't worry if it takes a little bit of time first of all to connect. Then that's the foot switch joined to the ODFS PaceXL.